Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a dive into the world of earthquakes and tremors, but with a twist. We're not talking about surviving the big ones, hopefully, but about the incredible team that keeps us informed and safe, the National Center for Seismology, NCS. The ground starts shaking, walls wobble, and you're left wondering just how big was that tremor. Enter the NCS, the superhero squad of earthquake monitoring in India. They're like the watchful eyes and ears of the earth, constantly on guard for any seismic activity. Deep beneath the surface, the earth whispers secrets in the form of tremors and quakes. But the NCS is there, listening intently, deciphering every rumble and shift. This isn't just some casual listening party, though. The NCS is the official earthquake watchdog of India, working 24/7 to understand these movements and predict what they might mean. They're like detectives piecing together clues from a vast network of 153 seismological observatories scattered across the country. Each observatory is like a super-sensitive microphone, picking up even the faintest tremors. From the bustling streets of Delhi to the majestic mountains of the northeast, no quake escapes their watchful gaze. And when they do catch a tremor, they're lightning fast. Within 5 minutes, they send out an earthquake bulletin, giving crucial information like the magnitude, location, and depth of the quake. This info flies straight to disaster management teams, helping them prepare and respond instantly. Imagine it, an earthquake strikes, buildings sway, but thanks to the NCS, rescue teams are already on their way, informed and prepared to save lives. But the NCS doesn't just react to quakes, they predict them too. By studying past tremors and understanding the Earth's ever-shifting moods, they create hazard maps, identifying areas at risk for future earthquakes. This helps people build safer homes, plan better cities, and be prepared for whatever the Earth throws their way. With the NCS on guard, earthquakes don't have to be terrifying surprises. They become manageable events, giving us the power to build a safer, more resilient future. So next time you feel the ground rumble, remember the NCS, the silent heroes working tirelessly to keep you safe. They're the earthquake whisperers, the tremor translators, the guardians of our ground beneath our feet. And that, my friends, is pretty darn cool.